Peter conducted an experiment using setups A and B as shown below. He made sure that both setups had the same amount of water and left them in an open field for 5 days. So I will be highlighting same amount of water, open field, 5 days. Open field will mean that they have sufficient sunlight, correct? Okay. So setup A and setup B, we can see both plants are in a sealed jar. They have water, but setup A, the only difference is that the roots are wrapped with a plastic bag. So Peter recorded his observations in the table below. So what is the function of the roots again? The function of the roots is to absorb nutrients and water and allow these nutrients and water to be transported out by the stem of the plant to the rest of the parts of the plant. So the important function is to absorb nutrients and water. So in this case, because setup A, the roots are wrapped with a plastic bag, we can safely say that the roots are unable to absorb any water at all. So when they ask setup A, volume of water at the start, which is 150 ml, and volume of water after 5 days. So for setup B, the roots are actually able to access the water because there's no plastic bag. So we can tell that there is actually a decrease in the volume of water because the water has been absorbed by the plant. However, for setup A, the roots are unable to do their function because of the plastic bag, and therefore the volume of water in the setup A after 5 days will remain the same. So it will be 150 ml because the roots are unable to absorb nutrients and water. Give a reason for your answer. So as explained earlier, why it is 150 ml? It is because the roots are not able to absorb water with a plastic wrapped around the roots. So that is why setup A is still 150 ml after 5 days. How do the roots in soil help prevent plants from falling over during a thunderstorm? So, roots in soil. So what is the function of the roots again, other than to absorb the nutrients and water from the ground? It is actually to also hold the plant firmly to the ground so that it will help to prevent the plant from falling over during a thunderstorm. So this is actually the answer.